Aloha! I wanted to give you folks a quick tutorial on how to get onto this nice tutorial site called Atomic Learning. And the way to get onto it is really what you see here. You type in atomiclearning.com and you'll get to this site and you'll see this screen in front of you right now. What you notice is if you're on campus, automatically it says Kamehameha Schools. We have a subscription for our entire campus, and what this allows us to do is automatically, when we go to the site, it logs us in, it recognizes our school site, and it automatically puts you in as Kamehameha Schools. But what I have done is I've created individual accounts for you folks so that each person can have their own account and they can actually go through and have assigned trainings, which is what I've done for you folks. So to wait for you folks to actually get into your own account is to go to this setting here, My Profile and Settings, right next to the word to our Kamehameha Schools. Another window will open up. It says username. You're going to type in your email address, and in this case I'm going to use Robin's email address. And then password for all of you is change me, and then you log in. And what you're going to notice after you log in is that now the title at the top should change, and as you see now it has Robin's name. So now this is Robin's Atomic Learning account set up just for her. So as you scroll down, you have these different tabs here: Spotlight, Workshops, Projects, Tutorials. We're going to close that with this minus, make it a plus, and then you're going to see My Training. So if you click the plus here on the right side, you're going to see Assigned Trainings. We click on the plus by the word Assigned Trainings. And now you're going to notice that it says Midkiff Office 2010 Orientation. Now here are 3 of 17. There's 3 that supposedly are completed, and there's 17 total. And it says when it's due, but it tells you how many different tutorials there are. Now the tutorials vary from anywhere from a minute to about 3.5 minutes. So not super long, but they're nice tutorials to give you an idea of how to use, in this case, Office 2010. So when you click into it, it's going to actually go into the video, and it's going to start playing the video. I'm gonna let it play for a few seconds here, so it shows you what it does here. Okay, so that's where the tutorial is for you. You can do the next tutorial, the previous one or the next one, and it will automatically play, or you can just get out of it when you're done. Anyway, but that's where your actual assigned training is. You received a email notification that you had some assigned to you. But again, beyond just the 17 tutorials that I have assigned to you folks, what you can also do is you can actually browse available training. So if you click on here and you click on tutorials, you can actually go in here and you can find almost anything that you have questions on, maybe Acrobat Pro. You can even go down to Word. We're going to go all the way to the bottom here. You go to Word. You can say what version. For you folks, the Word is 2010 now. And you can even go to the platform, meaning what kind of device do you have. And in this case, we say PC. And then you can find tutorials. So this is in addition to what I've already assigned you. You click on the plus again to show them more. And now you can go through and see which ones you want to kind of take a look at. The tutorial count shows you how many tutorials are in each one and what the total length of all of them are to complete. And that's the times right there. So as you see, they have intro training. We'll click on that one, which may be more relevant to what you folks are doing. And then you can just go in, and this orange button with the arrow just shows that you can play it. It tells you what the title is and how long each of them are. And as you can see here, they're not real long. Some are only 45 seconds. So please take advantage of this. But for now, again, going back in, make sure you do your assigned training. And again, to do that, one more time, we go down to My Training. We can even click on the word My Training. We click on Assigned Training, and you click on Midkiff Office 2010 Orientation, and you can get started. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Aloha.